May hotel na ba tayo?
Magkano ba gagastusin natin?
Ilang days ba tayo?
Eto na.
Sige nga, tignan nga natin.
Good afternoon. Today, I'm presenting our hotel for our Hong Kong trip.
Hong Kong? I thought we were going to Thailand. Look, I'm back for Thailand.
Kung mahusay ang pagkalap at pagsisinop ng ebidensya, malulutas ang anumang lakad na sinisiyasat.
No. Di ba we decided on Hong Kong? Anyway, ang stay natin ay 5 days and 4 nights. Where? West District Hotel.
Why west? Why not east? North or south?
Don't be so hard on her, Pinky. Be fair.
I am trying to be fair.
Ginamitan mo ba ng siyensya, lohika at pagkamaparaan ang pag-alam kung may hidden fee sila?
Yes. This leads us to our next topic, budget. Around 25K ang magagastos natin per head.
Aba, mura ha?
Pero meron bang discount? Namamahalan yata si Pinky.
No, I didn't say that. Baka naman may cheaper.
Move on po muna tayo sa schedule of
Ay,
activities.
ako basta't masarap ang pagkain, ako ang iyong kaibigan, kabalitaan, at kakampi.
Wait, let's go back to the previous slide. I'm not done yet. Is there Wi-Fi? Is it free?
May ebidensya bang nakalap kung malapit sa Disneyland?
Masarap ang breakfast dyan. Is there a swimming pool?
Yeah, is there breakfast? Is it free?
Dadalhin ka namin sa mismong sentro ng investigasyon.
Meron ba tayong kasamang mga chikiting?
Don't get me wrong, ha? It's just a question.
Parang thesis
Tutukan ka
defense,
namin ng
ah.
kamera.
Need to book.
Lutasin
Mag-look.
yung itinerary.
With over 2 million hotels to choose from, bundled with your favorite experiences, all in one app.
Ba't walang tsinelas?
Teka.
Ito, may dala ako.